What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. The Madlanga Commission is getting more and more heated. I mean, it has been confirmed that the chief evidence leader, Advocate Terry Motau, is stepped down from his role. So the guy was like, no, I've had enough. Let me move away from this role. And he has already been replaced by somebody else. But what we don't know is why is he stepping down? Like, what is the reason, for him to be stepping aside? So it's getting funny, this guy stepping down, Natim Tetwa, whatever is happening to him. Dumisani Kumalo currently is sick. So something is wrong at this commission. And Cyril Ramaphosa is just watching, he's just waiting for the final report and waiting for everything to unfold on its own. And it is indeed, kind of surprising, some of these things that are happening. But anyway, the guy has stepped down for personal reasons. But the way I know it, nobody just steps down without a clear reason, because when they got in, they knew what they were getting into. But now you pull out, something definitely has happened, something has changed, and time is going to tell us. I'll catch you guys on the next one.